Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you how to import products into Shopify using a CSV file, updated for 2025. Let's go. Step 1, in your Shopify admin, go to Products, then click Import in the top right corner. Step 2, download Shopify's CSV template by clicking Sample CSV Template. This will give you the correct format for product names, descriptions, pricing, inventory, and images. Step 3, fill out the spreadsheet with your product data. Be sure to follow the exact column headers from the template. Step 4, once your CSV is ready, go back to Shopify, click Add File, and upload your CSV file. Step 5, click Upload and Continue, then Import Products. Shopify will now process your data and create product listings. Tip: double-check the data before importing. Formatting errors can cause import issues or create incorrect product entries. And that's it. You've successfully imported your products with a CSV file in Shopify 2025. Like this tutorial? Hit the like button and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more step-by-step Shopify guides.